What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with amazing fundamental news and I will show you a lot of bullish news related directly to Tesla. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that with this movement to the upside, and by the way, I nailed this bottom of the C wave at the price point of $755, and I've told you that you can accumulate your position right here because we had a very good movement to the upside from its recent low, from this swing low, and then we had completed all 5 wave structure inside the C wave, and this means we completed all 3 wave structure in ABC correction. And from this range, at that point when I made my previous video, you were up for about 22%, and for now you might be up for about 33%. And my main target is still the same. It is 1.618 extension level, and it is more than 43% of potential profits. So I have to say that right here I thought that we should have deeper retracement because this movement was quite sharp. But I was wrong, and technically I was wrong, but it is nothing bad with this. My win rate on Tesla forecasts is more than 80%, and you can watch one of my videos. I will put the link on your top right corner right now, and in the description below you can find how technical this asset is and how precise might be the technical analysis. So from this range we went even higher on the recent news, and as you can see, the volume was really amazing. It was more than 2 times higher than we had previously, and this volume was also really high. So what was the reason of this movement? Let me show you this article, and it's titled Tesla Stock News: 6 Biggest Headlines That Tesla Investors Need to Know This Week. And this article was published just 20 hours ago, and I want to pay your attention only on several of them. First of all, let me show you this. Tesla aims to complete Cybertruck development this year for production in 2023. And you all know that recently Elon Musk opened his GIGAFACTORY in Berlin, and attendees got to witness Musk dance, but they also received some good news regarding the long-awaited Cybertruck. According to the CEO, Tesla hopes to begin production of the EV model as early as 2023 after concluding design work this year. And definitely it is a very good sign, and I have to say that this vehicle will be produced on Texas Gigafactory, and definitely for now, with increasing its production capabilities, they can add new models in their lineup. And let's continue with the second news. Tesla is entering a new growth phase. And let me quote you this. Recently, Garrett Nelson of CFRA touted the stock as a secular growth play investors shouldn't ignore. The analyst sees Tesla will start scaling production dramatically, which will send revenue even higher in turn. Nelson has a price target of $1,250 for the stock. And let me show you that this price target almost the same as the all-time high for Tesla. And technically I have to say that I also set one of my price targets. Let me switch to 4 hours time frame at the same range, because it is a 0.786 Fibonacci extension range. If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom, from the bottom of the previous wave, from swing low to swing high and to the bottom of the retracement, and definitely this range of roughly $1,200 is a very viable range because it is a confluence with all-time high. So, and let's continue with this news. Tesla spends least on ads, most on R&D report. And this week, Stock Apps reported that the company does not do any advertising. According to the report, this allows it to allocate more funds to research and development. For investors, these findings are a win-win. In an age when companies sometimes spend billions of dollars on ads, Tesla is able to focus on building and developing its tech. thereby getting its production to market faster. This is a competitive edge that may not always be accounted for when investors analyze Tesla stock. And I completely agree with this statement because Elon Musk is a genius person and he creates a huge community on Tesla, on SpaceX, on Boring Company, and basically on himself. And definitely this publicity is more than enough to promote any of his products to the market. Definitely it is a very good fundamental point. So let me show you right here that Tesla begins inviting 15,000 guests to Cyber Rodeo at GigaFactory, Texas. And definitely it is the most important news that we have for now, because just last week Elon opened his new factory in Berlin, and for now he started to invite people to opening of Giga Texas. And let me quote you this. Tesla has officially started inviting the 15,000 guests to its Cyber Rodeo event at GigaFactory, Texas on April 7th, as CEO Elon Musk published a photo of a virtual invitation to the event last night. Tesla announced it would hold an event to commemorate the opening of its newest production facility and the second in the United States, GigaFactory, Texas. Located just east of downtown Austin, Giga Texas will produce several of Tesla's electric vehicles, including the Model Y and the Cybertruck. And definitely Cybertruck will be produced on this factory, and I have to say that the main reason of delay of the production of Cybertruck is the lack of production facilities. And definitely why in the world Tesla should expand its lineup if their existing models has a huge number of orders. Definitely it doesn't make sense, and that is why the Cybertruck will be produced on this factory, and for sure it is a very wise decision. So let me show you the tweet by itself. As you can see, just 7 hours ago Elon posted this tweet, and here is the invitation itself. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, why we stopped right here? Let me show you that we hit a 0.5 Fibonacci level, and it is exactly the half of the length of the first wave. Let me show you right here. I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top, and exactly the half of this length is this range projected from this bottom. And also let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom to measure the retracement, as you can see, we hit the golden pocket range, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal, and definitely this range acts as a very strong support and resistance, and definitely we might have a reaction from this level. And we have this reaction. Let me zoom in a little bit on 15 minutes time frame. We have very good reaction from this range, and for now we are in consolidation phase. And let me show you on indicators that all of the indicators are pretty much in neutral territory. This means next leg might be either way, and especially if you consider it as a symmetrical triangle, most likely we will hit higher targets. And my main target for the swing trader positions is still the same. It is $1,083, and we might hit this range next week, and then we might have a deeper retracement to collect more steam and to hit higher targets. And let me show you that right here we have a very good breakout above this yellow line, and this yellow line is also the range of support and resistance from the previous price action. As you can see right here, we touched this range as a resistance, and right here we have this range as a support. And we broke it to the upside, retested from the top and went even higher and hit the golden pocket range and 0.5 Fibonacci range from previous wave. And I have to say that if you want to invest in this asset, this price action might hit some higher targets, but then we have to have a deeper retracement that might hit again, I guess, around $950 probably, and that's why just accumulate your position on every movement to the downside, not to the upside but to the downside. And if you want to catch the trade, I don't think that you can count on this movement to the upside because it is not more than 7%. I also encourage you to wait a little bit, and on the retracement you can accumulate your position to hit some higher targets. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Congratulations to all of you who took my previous call and who entered the position right here at $750 price point. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life I'm